Taking the helm, understanding leadership idioms in English. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're going to steer our language ship into the world of idioms, specifically the phrase, take the helm. So, let's set sail and navigate through its meanings and uses together. The phrase, take the helm, comes from a nautical origin where the helm is the steering wheel of a ship. To take the helm means to take charge or to assume a position of leadership. Imagine a captain steering their vessel through the seas. That's what someone does when they take the helm in any situation. Now, let's look at take the helm in action. You can say, after the CEO retired, her successor took the helm and led the company to new heights. Here, it means the successor assumed control and responsibility for the company. This idiom has a few variations. You might hear someone say, she's at the helm of a new project, which means she's in charge. Or, he handed over the helm, indicating he passed on leadership duties. Take the helm is often used in business or group settings. It's a way to describe transitions in leadership or to emphasize a person's leadership role. It's great for formal and informal discussions alike, but remember, it's mostly used metaphorically. Let's practice. Try to create your own sentences using take the helm. Share them with friends or in the comments below and see how you can guide the conversation with this powerful idiom. And that's a wrap. We hope you've enjoyed learning about take the helm and feel ready to use it confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be steering your own language journey like a true captain. Bon voyage and happy learning!